Today is Alex's first day at work, and Alex is getting ready to go to work early. Morning, Mom. I'm going to work. Lovely, dear. Well, good luck. Thanks, Mom. Bye, Mom. Bye, love. Come on, this is his first day of work. Oh, yes, good luck to you. Thanks, Dad. Bye. Good morning, Mr. Parker. Good morning, Mr. Johnson. How are you today? I am doing great. What about you? I'm fine, thank you. Welcome to your first day in our company. Christina will introduce you to the team. Thank you very much, Mr. Parker. Glad to have you on our team, Mr. Johnson. Christina, would you take Mr. Johnson to introduce him to the team, please? Yes, sir. Thank you so much. Mr. Johnson, would you like to tour the office first and then meet your colleague? Yes, of course. Okay, please come with me, Mr. Johnson. Please call me Alex. Okay, Alex, this will be your desk and this is your chair. This is your computer. This is your telephone. These are your files. Wow, I feel like it is my birthday. Well, here are some more birthday presents. Here are your pens and pencils, your calculator, your ruler, your scissors, and your stapler. Thanks. You're welcome. By the way, a moment ago I didn't hear your name. Oh, my name is Christina. Yes, Christina. Can you tell me where I can find the printer? It's in the right corner. So if I need to send a fax, where is the fax machine? The fax machine is here. And the coffee machine, it's at the end of the hall. You can use it at any time. Okay, thanks. If you have something you don't know, just ask me. Now, I will introduce you to everyone. Oh, thank you so much. Good morning, guys. I have an announcement to make. Could you all please gather here? We have a new member of our team from today, Alex. Please tell them about yourself. Hi everyone, my name is Alex. I'm 24. I'm from California. I will be working in the sales department. Welcome. I'm Susan. What were you doing before joining our team? I just finished my college degree in business. This is my first job. It is good to have you here, Alex. How long have you been here? I've been here for 4 years. Oh, yes, and you? Yeah, I'm Tom. Nice to meet you. I've been here for 3 years. Thank you. Nice to meet you too. I look forward to receiving the help of everyone in my work. Of course. Do you live far from here? Not very far, about 3 kilometers. Are you single, Alex? Yes, I'm still single. We are happy to have you here, Alex. Come see us if you have any questions. Thanks, guys. See you. Hi, Alex. I am Emily. I'll be assisting you with your training assignment. Good to meet you, Emily. So where should we start? First is the working time. You will work from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. You have 1 hour 30-minute break at noon. Some regulations during working hours have an official draft. I will give you later. Yes, I know. Well, you've also got to learn about our practices. We have rules for everything in this company, you know. Oh, that's interesting. Don't worry, I am just talking about the rules for handling customer. We like to make sure that our customers are happy here. I know what you mean, Emily. I've been in customer support myself in my internship course. Great! Then you should have no problems. Thank you.